With so many drivers on the road, how do you stand out as a rideshare driver? What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to the rideshare space, so if you're a driver, a passenger, or someone just interested in the rideshare space, consider subscribing. With more and more drivers on the road in a lot of markets, how do you stand out as an Uber or Lyft driver? I'm going to give you 3 guidelines to follow and 1 power tip to stand out. Number 1, stand out by having an exceptionally clean car. Your vehicle is one of the first impressions for your passenger on the Uber or Lyft system. Take the time and ensure you have a clean car. Number 2 is providing great service. We talk a lot on this channel about providing great service, and that really comes down to listening. Listen to verbal and nonverbal cues to A, find out if your passenger wants to talk and interact during their ride, and B, if they do want to talk and interact, make it about them, ask them questions, and get to know your passenger during your ride. When you show empathy and understanding, it shows that you're truly listening. So while you're providing great service on the road with safe, professional driving, make sure to listen to the points that they're talking about and show understanding. Number 3, be a knowledgeable driver. Being a knowledgeable driver, whether that be with the Uber or Lyft app or with the layout of your city, is going to give your passengers confidence and a better ride. Here's one big power tip to stand out and excel as a driver. Choose one thing that we talked about in this video and excel at that one thing. Now, this doesn't mean you need to fill your car with free amenities, anything like that, but really listening, being an exceptionally engaging driver if they want to talk during their ride, and being an absolute master at one of those criteria we mentioned is going to help you stand out. The reason we pick one thing here is that you can truly study and invest the time needed to excel in service or taking care of your car or being an expert with the apps. Now, it doesn't hurt to be an expert in all 3 criteria that we listed here, but really choosing one of those and standing out in one of those categories is going to help you succeed. Those drivers that don't follow the 3 general guidelines here are going to find themselves with lower ratings and really less tips. So let me know in the comments below, what do you do to stand out as an Uber or Lyft driver? And let us know if you've seen more tips and higher ratings in doing so. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join the Your Driver team, and I will see you in the next one.